Yo, what's going on? Had a week off and decided to change some things here in the room, the desk, and how things are arranged around here. I just think the space I work in needs to inspire me and give me a good vibe, and since I'm spending most of my time here, I really care about it. Let me know what you think about it down below. Okay, this will be the first video for this year, so firstly, Happy New Year. Hope you'll have a great one. I was thinking if I maybe should write down some goals that I set for this year related to this channel and the numbers I'm currently having, brand deals, and so on. On my end, it's not about focusing on the numbers themselves. It's more like milestones to see from where I started and where I reached at the end of the current year. So for now on Instagram, I'm currently at 1.8k and I'd like to reach at least a 10k. By the way, we'll have a giveaway at 10k, so if you're not following my account on Instagram yet, you should. So 10k by the end of the year, that means posting more and focusing a bit more on Instagram as well. Regarding TikTok, though everyone says you're one video away from going boom and going crazy on TikTok because it was made for short form and whatsoever, I got no clue what's happening there. Sometimes it's doing well, sometimes I feel like it's totally dead. So almost 300 now. If I reach 1,000 by the end of the year, I'm gonna be extremely happy. Next thing, for YouTube, I have high hopes and huge goals. So we're currently at 700 and something. I firstly would like to reach the goals that YouTube is having set for me. So the 1k goal of subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours. More than that, I really hope I can reach 10k subscribers by the end of the year. On Threads, we're currently 200 and something. And I love the app. I just need to post more oftenly and engage with you more. So no worries, I'm on it. Give me a bit of time so I can make a good strategy about it. Okay, for brand deals, I started 6 months ago the channel and everything on social media, and I worked already with 2 brands. For this year, I'd like to push this up a bit more and see where it can reach. Maybe having some constant brand per month to work with. Let's see, I have no idea. We'll need to see how it develops. I'm confident that this can be achieved. The main idea here, from my point, is to still be able to be consistent and to come every single day and post and be here. Maybe sometimes only talking heads like this one about what's happening in my life, or updates, or replying to your questions sometimes, or day in the life, or vlogs. I had a poll, what you want to see next year more on this channel, and most of you picked vlogs, so I need to get going. I'd like to find some people to collaborate with and go out and shoot, so if you're from Germany, around Hamburg eventually, and you create content, fire up a comment and let's connect. Okay, that's it for today. I just wanted to engage with you a bit more and tell you what my goals are, and I'll see you in the next video next week. Cheers.